For years, this house sat forgotten, hidden from the world and abandoned by time.
A construction crew arrived expecting demolition, unaware they were about to uncover a remarkable story.
At first glance, it seemed like just another house beyond saving.
Then they noticed something unusual, buried beneath the years.
Someone had built this ramp with care, and suddenly the house felt different.
The ramp hinted at a life once lived here, and questions began to form.
Drawn by curiosity, they decided to look inside.
The house had been waiting a very long time for someone to return.
Every room held traces of a family that once called this place home. What they found would change everything. The first clue appeared in an old photograph. The ramp had belonged to someone very important. Behind the abandoned walls was a story of love and devotion. Photo after photo revealed a close and caring family. The deeper they looked, the more the house began to speak. A difficult decision was beginning to take shape. The future of the house now hung in the balance. The house deserved more than an ending.
Without speaking a word, they reached an agreement.
They chose restoration instead of demolition. A new chapter was about to begin.
The next day, the transformation began. The first step was simply uncovering what time had buried.
Little by little, the house started to reappear. Each hour revealed details hidden for decades. Special care was given to the ramp that started it all. Its history mattered too much to risk damaging it.
As the property opened up, hope seemed to return.
Beneath the dirt, beauty was waiting.
The house was stronger than anyone expected. Every task revealed another reason to keep going.
The goal was not to replace history, but to protect it. Memories were treated with the same care as the building. Nothing important would be left behind. For the first time in years, light filled the rooms. The restoration required patience and respect. Every board told part of the story. The smallest details mattered. new materials were crafted to honor the old. Slowly, the ramp regained its strength. What was once forgotten was finally being cared for again. And this was only the beginning of an extraordinary journey. With each new day, the house moved one step closer to life. The crew worked carefully, knowing every detail mattered. The ramp remained the heart of the entire project. Nothing would be replaced without understanding its history first. Craftsmanship became a form of respect. Every repair was made to feel timeless. The ramp slowly regained its former strength.
What couldn't be seen was strengthened just as carefully.
The goal was preservation, not replacement. The ramp was beginning to look beautiful again. Tension extended beyond the ramp itself. Even small details deserved a second chance. The house started revealing its true face.
Decades of wear slowly disappeared.
The structure had survived more than anyone imagined.
The restoration entered a new phase.
The roof would protect the house once again. Every repair was made to last.
The transformation was becoming impossible to ignore.
Preparation meant protecting the future as well as the past.
For the first time in years, the house could breathe again. The walls still held secrets. Even forgotten treasures continued to appear. Every memory was treated as something precious. The house needed more than beauty. It needed a future. Modern improvements quietly supported the restoration. The updates respected the home's character. Even forgotten details found new purpose. Light returned to rooms long trapped in darkness. Small moments felt surprisingly emotional. The restoration reached beneath the surface.
The unseen work was just as important.
Life was returning one system at a time. The rooms slowly shed decades of neglect. Pieces of the past were welcomed back. Years of neglect slowly disappeared. The house was beginning to feel like a home again. The family's story remained at the center of everything.
Their memories deserved protection. Every image would find its place again.
One room carried especially deep meaning. Childhood memories waited patiently. Nothing was considered too small to save. The room slowly reclaimed its warmth.
Even imperfections told part of the story.
The room felt alive, if once more. The chair that once served a child was treated with honor. Its dignity returned alongside the home. It became a symbol of the family's journey. Months of effort were beginning to show. The mission had become deeply personal. But the most important part of the story was still ahead.
The house was nearly finished, but one question remained unanswered.
They knew the home belonged to a family. Now they needed to find them.
The answers might be hidden among the family's belongings.
The search began with small pieces of forgotten history.
Even the smallest detail could lead them closer. The mystery slowly started coming together. Hours turned into days as they followed every lead.
The past continued to leave breadcrumbs behind.
Their search extended beyond the house itself. Helpful strangers joined the effort.
For the first time, they found something promising.
The trail was beginning to warm.
The search carried them across the community.
The little girl in the pictures had never been forgotten.
The collection told a story of love and resilience.
It was finally time to meet Hetha.
They carried decades of memories with them.
The journey led them somewhere unexpected. This was where the daughter now lived. They stepped inside carrying more than photographs.